Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Bfix. So today I'm going to show you another item from eBay. This is my third buy. So I basically own it. I bid it. It was a German um, for it's a German watch that I bid it and I own it. It's cost me a little bit more, but whatever it is, let's try it out and see. Okay, how good is it? It has a scratch as far as I know. The seller basically showed to me, but this time it was really good because the guy basically sent it using a DHL. As a result, I don't have to pay any customs or whatever, and I also don't need to pay this money to this Emirates Post, which is really expensive, like 30 dirham. Okay, bah, holy smoke. So the guy name is, so this item basically came from USA. Here you can see it says from eBay USA, and 3 GPS model tested working but no charger cable, and return policy, no returns policy, so I have to be very careful. And the guy basically told me if I have any issue so that I can notify. The guy name is Son Chris. We'll see, but whatever it is, the guy tried to make it really good. Here, see, look inside. It's a very nice piece of watch box, at least. Holy smoke, the guys did try to impress me. Hopefully I'll impress it. So it is like Vivoactive 3. Okay, Garmin Vivoactive 3. Looks nice, right? Okay, let's see what's inside. Before that, it says like 7 days watch mode, so it survives for 7 days battery life. It has 13 hours GPS mode. It can survive after 5 ATM water rating. It has a very good recent water rating. It has Garmin Pay. You can pay by Garmin application. Connect IQ. It has downloadable walkaway, side swipe, and whatever it is. It has built-in GPS also. Okay, I don't know more than that, but it is like an, as you can say, AMOLED display. So that's why I bought it. I'll see. Okay, so overall it has scratches all over the places, and here the guy use kind of, this is that what kind of strip they use. Probably I had to get a new strip, but overall it kind of looks like this. Okay, look at that. This is not bad, if I have to say it. It's okay, but it doesn't have any charger, so I'll have to get a charger. Yeah, and so it has a side swap, you can see here. So you basically do this touch in here. Okay, we'll see how good is it. I'll do a cleanup for sure, and I'll also get kind of like an belt for this one. Fix it probably, and I also need a charger. Charger is not included. Anyway, it's a decent thing. It was my first bid on from eBay. Okay, it looks nice, right? And this box is decent also. Right? It is scratched, but I guess we can live with it. I think I paid around $67 USD to get this one, but it's alright. What I'll do, I'll get a charger and try to, play with it. Garmin Vivoactive 3. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye everyone. Please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. It's my first eBay win, and this is Garmin Vivoactive 3.